We are in the Regency, which is a Toll Brothers development in Summerlin, and it's an over 55 community, and we're going to check out this Clay Hill model, and I'm going to tell you all about it inside, so come on in. So this Clay Hill model has 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths, 2-car garage. It has a den and an office, and it has 2,030 square feet. So we're going to start over here in the entryway, and the entryway has these 2 different kinds of stone on the flooring, and it has this intricate stone and then this inset that we're going to see this tile throughout. It is 10 by 20 porcelain tile that looks like stone, and it's really very charming. And also in the ceiling we have this wood inset, inlaid wood, very stylish with recessed lighting. And this is going to be in a few other rooms as well. So come on in the den, which they're using as a dining room. We have, again, the wood beam ceiling, and it has recessed lighting. This room is approximately 15 by 13. It also has this wallpaper. A little busy. We're at the front of the house, so it has a lot of natural light, and it also has this wood plank flooring with a carpeting inset. So moving into the family room, dining room, kitchen combination, we're going to start with the ceiling here. We have this coffered ceiling with the beam and recessed lighting with, again, this wood inset. Very pretty. The flooring here is, again, this wood plank. And it has, again, the carpeting inset. This particular model has this shelving, white shelving, very tastefully done. And right above the shelving, we're in the front of the house, we have the clear-story windows. Nice fireplace here. These nice little lights up here. We have the sliding glass door that is 3 panels in the family room, and we're going to have the 3 panels in the kitchen area too. And they all open up to the outside, which has that lovely pool out there, and the office. There's an office out there that they turned into a pool house, but we're going to look at that a little bit later. So moving on into the kitchen area. The kitchen has nice quartz countertops with that are the same color. The island and the countertops are the same color, and then we have a different color quartz bar that's connected to the island, and it's stone throughout. Waterfall style, very nice. We have KitchenAid appliances. Beautiful cabinetry with lights to display your dishes. And this Backsplash over here is this basket weave. Isn't that charming? Very intricate. It goes all the way up the wall. This is kind of a chef's designer oven, or range I should say, with that massive feel and the really big chef's hood as well. Nice under-mounted sink. In here, we have the pantry. So the pantry and the closets are all designed by California Closets, and they do such a nice job. We're going to go in here to the garage entry door. So it has access to the kitchen, and we have also a cute little drop zone that they put in. Toll Brothers did. And next in order, we have the laundry room. And the laundry room has the same 10 by 20 porcelain tile that looks like stone, which is very nice. And it has the same white cabinetry that it has in the kitchen. And it has a quartz countertop with the under-mounted stainless steel sink. And this interesting glass tile. The whole wall is tile, actually. And this laundry room also has crown molding and recessed lighting. Moving into the master. The master bedroom has carpeting, wainscoting throughout. Crown molding. It also has a door to the backyard, which is kind of nice. So this master bathroom has a lot of tile going on, and I'm going to try to explain it. It also has crown molding and recessed lighting to start. The flooring has tile that looks like wood, and it's kind of on the diagonal, laid on the diagonal. The shower has the same tile that looks like wood in the walls of the shower, and then the bottom of the shower has some light color tile that's going to match the countertop sink and below the countertop. So moving over here again, we have the same tile down here that's in the shower, the bottom of the shower. When those cute little vessel sinks with this quartz countertop, well done, I might add. It's floating and the cabinets are floating, and it has lighting underneath. That's kind of a classic Toll Brothers design. And moving into the master closet. This master closet has been built out by California Closets, and they did a very nice job. And then on our way out, we have the water closet. And next we're going to go out and see the backyard. So it's interesting what they did here. This office is going to be 15 by 13. It's an office that has this covered patio on the way to the office. And they kind of built this pool around it, which is interesting. And so they made this little office a pool house. So this pool house has wood plank tile, pretty wide, pretty long and wide. I'd say 40 by 8. It also has a granite countertop with this wainscoting and glass inlaid tile. Very interesting. This backyard's big. It's nice. Next, we're going to see the secondary bedroom in the front of the house. We're going to start with the secondary bathroom. It has, again, the 10 by 20 tile that looks like stone. It's porcelain tile. It's really very pretty, and it carries throughout the back of the bathtub, and it has this little inlaid glass tile that it's going to also have on this wall behind the sink. Very pretty. It has recessed lighting. It has this nice cabinetry and sink. And moving into the secondary bedroom, this is approximately 12 by 13. There's a little painted stripe down the middle of it, which is kind of interesting. It has recessed lighting. A lot of natural light with these two windows in the front of the house. And this bedroom's carpeted. And also has a wall closet. So this concludes our tour of this clay hill model. Again, it is the base price is $614,000. It has 2-bedroom, 2 full bath, 2-car garage, a den, and an office. So if you're interested, let me also say that again, it's in Regency, which is a over 55 development in Summerlin, and it's a Toll Brothers home. So if you're interested in this home or any of the homes in my video tours, please feel free to contact me with my information below if you have questions, and you can feel free to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified of any upcoming videos. Thank you.